이게 무슨 일? 어느 날 밤 콜로라도주의 작은 마을 페이셔스 인근에 불시착한 수상한 물체. 그 시간
Is there someone in here?
별장에 혼자 살고 있던 의사 해리 맨더시피그를 죽이고 그의 모습으로 변신합니다. 그는 지구를 파멸시키기 위해 파견된 외계인이었는데 그만 사고로 인류 멸살 장치를 잃어버렸던 것.
I got news for you, Cosette.
I've got news for you, Cassette.
인간의 방식을 습득하던 며칠 후
Excuse me, sir. You Dr. Harry Vanderspiegel?
Yes, that's me.
We had ourselves a murder in town last night.
Isn't there a town doctor who can help you out?
The victim is the town doctor.
Hello, doctor. I'm Ben. I'm the mayor.
조용히 장치를 찾으려던 계획과 달리 인구가 1000명뿐인 작은 마을에서 또 다른 의사 살인 사건 때문에 딱 낚이게 된 상황.
Sam Hodges. He was the town doctor.
He murdered himself.
No, but we still need your help. We need to do an autopsy. The pass got snowed in last night, and the coroner won't come until the road's clear.
임시 의사직을 받아들인 그 순간 한 소년과 마주쳤는데 모두를 속이지 못했다는 자괴감을 가득 안고 부검을 시작합니다.
You said he killed himself, but he would never do that.
Because it was clenched around the scalp.
Sam loved his life. You did a good job.
You just gave me a compliment.
간호사 아스타와 어울리며 인간의 삶에 적응해보기로 합니다.
I left home when I was 16. Jimmy and I split 4 months ago. The reason I'm buying you dinner.
Why are the walls covered in old mining equipment?
59! Maybe stick around long enough, you'll find out what it means.
그런데 적응력이 이렇게 좋다니 외계인 맞아? 클럽에서 춤추고 술 마시며 기분 좋아진 듯. 하지만 온통 머릿속에선 그 아이를 없애야 해. 그런데 엄청난 데시벨이.
Hey, what's going on?
An alien under the bed! Let's go, sweetie.
다음날 숙취에 시달리는 해리. 아스타의 짐 옮기는 걸 도와주기 위해 그녀의 집에 함께 가게 됩니다.
Some people believe the buck symbolizes protection and rebirth. Everything. So much for helping me.
So this is the new man.
하필 그녀의 전남친과 마주칩니다.
I'll come get my things tomorrow.
하지만 아스타가 위험하다고 느낀 해리는 다시 차를 돌립니다.
Want to embarrass me like that? 4 months I come home to that.
Let go!
아스타를 구하겠다는 생각뿐인 해리.
It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Because wherever you learn to do that stuff back there, sometimes just feeling human is alien to me.
샘의 장례식이 치러지는데 갑자기 그의 사인을 깨달은 해리.
Has to be now.
Harry! I'm so sorry. Keep praying. What?
Windpipe. He needed air. He tried to give himself, but he couldn't do it in time. And one of the people here is the murderer.
정말 타살.
Gang.
클리닉에 처음으로 출근한 해리. 그런데 그의 첫 환자가
I'm going to cut your head off.
1000명이 사는 작은 동네에서 그의 실체를 알아보는 유일한 인간 맥스를 또 만나게 된 것.
What the hell happened in here?
I think he has emotional issues.
Alien from my bedroom! He's in there!
Didn't look like an alien to me.
That's the weed coffin.
I'm serious. If he keeps this up, we're getting rid of him.
What are you doing with these?
We got a murder to solve. I gotta make room over there for murder.
I know who killed Sam Hodges. It's the new doctor. He's an alien.
Everyone out. Got a sick kid.
Talk about alien.
맥스는 포기하지 않고 열심히 외모 설명 중.
Kid is a menace. He just won't give up.
짜증난 해리는 그냥 떠나버릴까도 고민했지만
I'm too close to finding my device, not turning into someone else. I can't just kill this kid. It will draw too much attention.
일단 맥스와 통화를 시도해보는데
Max, friend from school.
I saw your poster on the street.
Wait a minute. I don't know you from school.
I'm a post office man.
How much does a stamp cost?
$100.
I knew it! You're him!
만만한 상대가 아님.
That's it. I'm going to kill him.
Funny, all I hear is a hissing noise.
Explosion is a good option. It looks like an accident.
며칠 후 다시 병원을 찾은 맥스.
Little guy still on his bike in the driveway. I think he's gonna need stitches.
You can look at me, Max. I don't bite. This is deeper than I thought. We might need 3 stitches.
초딩 수준의 유치한 신경전을 벌이는 중
Okay, let's go.
Your shoes untied. Made you look, you dummy.
갑작스러운 샘의 죽음에 아직 슬퍼하는 아스타.
gin rummy.
I'm gonna have to take a rain check.
There's no one sitting there.
I never should have left that night he died.
Do you want to play a card game?
Yeah.
연민이라도 느낀 것일까?
She was sad. I could feel it.
다음 날 수색 작업을 계속하던 해리. 그 안에서 뭔가를 발견합니다. 인간들과 친해가면서 느꼈던 외로움과 허전함이 순식간에 희망으로 바뀌는 순간이었는데
I can fly home. I just need to find my device without being discovered.
그 시간 기이하게 죽어있는 한 남자의 시체가 발견됩니다. 그리고 얼마 후 진짜 해리의 신체 일부가 발견됩니다. 지금 해리는 호수에 던진 진짜 해리의 시신을 찾아야 하고 사라진 폭발장치와 우주선 부품도 찾아야 하고 맥스도 죽여야 하는데 또 인간들도 말살시켜야 함.
This is the 3rd piece of my ship that I found.
눈사태로 일주일간 작업이 중단된 그날 벤의 아내가 그를 찾습니다.
My son Max told me you're an alien. He even convinced the deputy to draw this. It's disgusting.
Move. A new school. A new life.
We have jobs.
Probably just looking for attention.
해리는 당장 맥스를 찾아갑니다.
No one believes you anyway. Climb to the highest tower in town.
You don't have towers, you dummy.
I was testing to see if you thought there were towers.
I hope a tower doesn't fall on
You're
me.
the one who thinks there's towers.
이번에도 제대로 당한 듯 호수에서 나온 시신의 일부 때문에 혼란스러운 사람들.
That foot belongs to the guy I killed.
We got ourselves a serial killer, y'all. We lie in wait to strike again, so they're easy to catch. Send the foot to Denver for DNA testing.
그 말에 다급해진 해리.
I am so scared.
White male. I'm thinking late 40s.
If you didn't have 2 feet, I'd think this thing was yours. Medical examiner will let us know if we get a hit on the DNA.
You stole my 5 dead little piggies.
You don't need to send the whole foot to Denver.
As if you got me a skin sample off this foot before I start needing dick pills.
고민하던 그때
Cut the foreskin off this baby's dick and hand it to the sheriff. Clear. Is he circumcised? Removing the foreskin reduces the risk of urinary tract infection.
설득에 성공.
I gotta get this back to live.
하지만 피곤한 일은 지속됩니다.
Why are you on my beach?
The rest of that body's gotta be out there somewhere, and I plan on finding it. We're searching this entire lake.
수색 작업은 늦은 밤까지 계속됩니다.
I don't like this feeling. Even this dog is making me nervous.
Sheriff, maybe I should go in and check the shoreline?
I can't panic. I just need a plan.
결국 재빠르게 시신을 집에 숨기지만
Harry?
What are you doing here?
Can we use your bathroom?
Then you have to leave.
아스타의 급 방문에 난감한 해리.
I'm gonna go.
그런데 더 난감한 상황에 처합니다.
We're calling it a night, Doc. Hey, Cletus, get back here, boy. Hell, he owes us something. Come on, boy.
혹시 저 냉동고 안에
You got meat.
I like meat.
Come on here, Cletus.
다행히 위기를 넘기는데
I looked that alien son of a bitch. Kicked his alien ass all the way to the next county.
When we saw your videos online, we knew we had to come speak with you.
You can read about that in the book I'm writing.
낯선 남녀에게 외계인을 혼내준 얘기를 했던 이 남자는
We're not supposed to kill people. Those aren't our orders.
헉, 정체가 뭐지? 경찰의 호수 수색 작업 때문에 잠도 제대로 못 자고 스트레스 가득 받은 해리. 게다가 맥스의 집에 초대까지 받게 됩니다.
We'll take your silence as a yes, and see you at 6.
The mayor asked me to come to his house tonight for dinner.
Maybe Darcy would like to go. Free except for from 5 to midnight.
6 p.m.
No! Why can't you just be getting a divorce? My parents invited the alien over for dinner. I'm dead soon. I've got a plan. over.
둘 다 마주하기 싫은 저녁이 찾아옵니다.
Dr. Vanderspiegel, how good to see you.
Honey, you didn't tell me Harry was bringing a date.
Pockets are empty. No house keys. Over. Check his truck. Over.
어쨌든 저녁 식사 분위기는 나름 괜찮은데
It was the last day of 5th grade. Benny was my first kiss. Very romantic.
Right on that.
I mean, what, did you think I'd be mad or something? So cool that you guys bought your parents' house. Remember when we were sitting on the couch, that one taught this guy everything he knows.
Not everything.
아직 시간을 더 끌어야 하는 맥스.
Don't go!
All right.
Max, now.
다행히 열쇠가 있다. 맥스의 작전은 성공한 듯.
Yes.
Your grandmother called. Back's hurting again.
아스타의 할머니를 찾아 함께 가게 됩니다.
I need to pee.
그런데 지난밤 수상했던 두 남녀가 뭔가를 찾고 있는 중
Then you killed him.
Our orders are to deliver an alien to the general without anyone knowing about it. I'm eliminating anything that gets in the way of this mission.
그러니까 두 사람은 해리를 잡으러 온 것?
Nice to have you, Harry.
Good to have you, Harry.
Welcome, Harry.
뜻밖의 환대와 만나서 즐거워하는 사람들의 모습에 뭔가 감동받은 해리.
This is Dr. Vanderspiegel. He's going to give you your shot.
Well, I can laugh without pain. That's a good sign. It's about time you have one of your own, honey.
이 순간 해리의 얘기에 다들 놀라고
17-year-old girl named Jay. That's Asta's daughter.
아스타 혼자 간직했던 비밀이었던 것.
How bad did I mess this one up? Couldn't take care of her. I was just a kid myself.
Jay was the girl.
Wouldn't understand. You wanted me out the second that you knew I was pregnant.
You left, Asta. 16.
already raised one child that wasn't your own. I didn't want mine to be one more problem for you.
My bad, bro. Can you toss that ball back to us?
해리가 사람들과 어울리던 시간, 그의 집에 몰래 들어간 맥스와 사르.
Wow. Maybe these are parts of his ship. There must be something in this freezer.
손대면 안 될 걸 손대버렸다.
My son hasn't changed since I've been on Earth. It's still 46 light years away. It feels closer.
해리에게 다가온 아스타.
I'm sorry for telling your secret about Jay.
You did us a favor.
집에 들어오자마자 초대하지 않은 손님이 있는 걸 알게 된 해리.
They're still alive.
그런데 이 여잔 누구?
I am still your wife.
Max, thank God you were in here.
해리는 일단 아이들을 데려다주고 다시 돌아옵니다.
You're ready to have a divorce. Just sign the papers.
That's where I sleep.
갑자기 나타난 진짜 해리의 전부인 때문에 상황이 뭔가 복잡해집니다.
Now I have to go to my job.
You've abandoned your practice back home.
Before you go home, take out the trash. That woman is a distraction.
집에서 발견된 스카프 때문에 엄청난 오해가 생기고
You lying, cheating bastard. Harry, whose scarf is this? Girl up front. This woman. I'm going back to New York. I can't.
해리 앞에 다시 나타난 맥스.
Stole your keys and made a copy of them to sneak into your cab. Sorry.
Not really sorry, so I'm not accepting it.
Your act doesn't fool me, alien.
See what we're dealing with, Dr. Vanderspiegel?
I have an idea.
Don't you recognize him?
No, I've never seen that man before in my entire life. He's tricking you! Not even a real doctor!
Max.
It's worse than I thought. He's special. School for kids like Max in Georgia.
이 시간 제이는 병원 서류를 정리하다가 진실을 알게 됩니다.
Paper says you had a baby. It's not that dick Jimmy, is it? So don't.
Told you I'd meet you at the diner.
Harry Vanderspiegel. I think we met briefly.
Okay, let's go. She found out who we are.
How did she find you?
It's Jay.
해리는 아스타를 보호해야 하는 의무감에 지나칠 수가 없는데
Damn it, Asta! You weren't ready either. You really wanted to protect her? You should have stayed the hell out of her life.
저녁이 되어 집에 돌아오니 아직도 안 간 그녀.
Where did you get these steaks?
You were in the freezer downstairs.
Cause the door is.
Gotta get some frozen peas.
I'll get them.
그 시간 해리를 만나러 집까지 오게 된 나시. 그런데
Shit. That was a waste of deodorant.
What next?
Scrub the pans before you leave.
그를 잡을 최후의 방법.
Day passed my way. This he said.
그날 밤 엄마 아빠의 대화를 듣게 된 맥스.
This place is equipped to help him in ways that we can't.
Max Resor, do you read me? My parents are sending me away. Over. I have an idea. Over.
다음 날 맥스는 해리에게 달려갑니다.
Mac isn't going to that institute.
What do you want?
Shake on it.
Fine.
화해 모드로 바뀐 분위기.
Sam's toxicology results are in. Sam was poisoned.
We got ourselves a murder!
Jesus.
It's not my fault.
Well, it's making coffee.
See, man, I told you their break room was bigger than that. We got the results back from Sam's toxicology. Botulinum toxin.
That's simple.
I might need you to dig a little deeper than that.
I saw the new doctor, and he is.
As far as humans go, I'm handsome.
의문의 죽음을 당한 샘의 뒤를 이을 새로운 의사 이선 스톤이 부임합니다.
He has stupid hair.
You know about botulinum toxin poison.
See, give himself a tracheotomy to save his own life.
완벽한 스펙, 잘생긴 외모.
Son of a bitch!
해리는 생전 처음으로 인간의 감정인 질투를 느끼기 시작하는데
I just wanted to thank you for everything.
Your son doesn't need to go to the institution.
Are you saying that you misdiagnosed my son?
I'd be happy to offer a second opinion if you don't mind, Doctor.
All right, he took care of my dad for the last 5 years.
Okay,
We're on the same team here, Austin.
I didn't know that the pad was stolen at first. But then I found this. You should talk to the kid that's passing this around. He goes to the high school. It was prescribed by Sam days after he died.
Thank you.
아스타와 작별 인사를 하는 해리.
Oh, God. Your wife is here. Doctor has arrived. Harry's all yours. Have fun, you two lovebirds.
이자벨은 자유의 몸이 된 해리를 축하하기 위해 나시의 술집을 찾습니다.
Let's sell the cabin and go back home to New York.
What? I don't like it there.
그때 이선이 그곳에 들어옵니다.
Check out all the old mining equipment.
To the 59.
59 died to save one. Such an amazing story.
My friend before you met her.
Maybe you can both be friends with her.
Let's go home.
친화력 갑 이선 때문에 해리의 질투심은 폭발 직전.
How is he doing this? Oh no, he is more beautiful than me.
Arm wrestle or something?
I beat my wife.
Oh, wrestling.
3, 2, 1, go.
So, will you help me pop it back in?
3 and
하지만 사람들의 관심을 얻는데 실패합니다. 다음 날 뭔가 결심한 해리.
And you made breakfast. Lucky me.
I'm going to the mountain.
Oh, what the hell?
Big gun.
It's Harry. What the hell is he doing?
이자벨을 기절시킨 해리는 중단된 수색 작업을 하다 우주선의 마지막 조각을 찾아냅니다.
Thanks so much for letting us talk to
Do you
him.
really think he's running some kind of drug
We're
ring?
going old school, all right? Little good cop, bad cop. You wait out here and guard the perimeter.
You don't get no damn libation!
You know, if I beat you with a phone book, it don't leave no bruise. I don't have a phone book. Couldn't break it.
They called the dealer the pharmacist.
Hey, wait a minute. Wait, don't that girl right there, don't she work at the clinic?
I would Asta leave her off the list of suspects. Why did you leave Jay's name off the list you gave us?
she's a 17-year-old girl. She's been through enough.
Stole those pads is someone you know.
Jay didn't steal the pads.
Get back in! Hey! Hey! All right, those pads are like gold. Who else at the clinic might have done it?
Come on. You got a murder to solve. Delivery method, insulin.
Asta said Sam was diabetic. Botulinum is injectable.
Good job, deputy.
Of course, sir.
Tonight, I will attach this to my ship.
이제 폭발 장치만 찾으면 끝. 이들은 군 정보부의 맥칼리스터 장군이 보낸 비밀 요원들이었는데 추락한 해리의 우주선을 찾아냅니다.
General, I found it.
Secure the crash site.
이 사실을 모르는 해리는 이자벨 재우기에 집중하는 중.
I'm gonna go have a lie down. Sip on this.
우주선이 추락한 지점에서 해리를 잡기 위해 기다리고 있는 요원들.
And if he tries to run, kill him.
해리는 이대로 잡히는 건가? 그런데 이자벨이었음.
You mean knocked out from the sleeping pills? You slipped into my coffin. What are you doing out here in the middle of the night?
And since I am your husband and nothing else, for no reason.
You want space?
화난 이자벨은 그대로 가버리고 해리는 누군가에게 쫓기고 있다는 걸 알게 됩니다.
This is my fault. What do I have? Nothing. How do humans deal with failure?
결국 해리는 멘붕에 빠집니다.
Harry, snap out of it. My parents are still sending me away.
Go away. I have a lot of being human to do.
He's been here for hours. Judy says you've been here all day.
My wife left me and I lost my job and my life is horrible.
I'm so sorry.
상심이 큰 그와 함께 시간을 보내주는 아스타와 나시.
The low point, that's where freedom lives.
그때 해리의 눈에 들어온 존재. 혹시 외계 종족?
We have been waiting for you. Why do you look like this? Are getting bad for you. Cannot give up on your mission.
I don't think he's ever been high.
What if he's a sociopath that has wives all over the country?
Look, you already know the answer. I can see it inside you.
해리는 바로 깨닫습니다.
Max, that's it.
What are you doing?
There was alien stuff in the back of my truck.
Because of the green glow.
You can see that? I'll help you get out of going to that dumb school. I peed in your bed.
다음 날 맥스의 증세를 잘못 봤다며 실수를 인정합니다.
What kind of a doctor misdiagnoses a child?
Okay. Thought that was good news.
Thank you.
바로 맥스를 만나 확인하는데
I will construct something to assist.
It will cook your monkey ass.
I am a firefighter named Albert.
Take it off.
맥스는 그를 도와주기로 결정합니다.
We can use this old radioscope. We can use this old telescope. Grab these wires, light bulbs. Oh, no.
I'm here and
해리의 우주선을 지켜보다 뭔가를 알아낸 비밀 요원.
These amulets were discovered in Colombia 3,000 years before air travel was invented. Look at this amulet. I think this alien's here to kill everybody.
한편 해리와 함께한 맥스.
Green glow. Zoom into it.
Yeah, there's green energy under the bunny.
Zoom all the way in.
There's my device.
It's on the glacier. You can't go there. Too dangerous.
위험하다고 말리는 맥스와 뿌리치고 떠나는 해리.
Hey, Max. Please, will you tell us where's Harry going?
Max.
He's headed to the glacier.
Why?
Talk to my lawyer.
Does he have a lawyer?
위험하더라도 임무 완수를 해야 하는데
Finally.
해리를 구하기 위해 달려가는 아스타와 나시. 그때
Something initiated this. The ship is tethered. I know where the alien is.
Harry? Could be on a snow bridge. I need to get a line on you.
I'm okay. You can go.
우려했던 일이 현실. 장치를 찾으러 빙하로 갔던 해리. 그를 찾으러 간 아스타와 나시는 깊은 빙하 균열 아래로 추락합니다.
Harry, your leg.
The ice caved in because you are.
Stop it. We gotta be 30 feet down. I've gotta get my radio. That's it.
그 순간 해리의 몸에 중대한 변화가 일어납니다. 하지만
Whatever the ship was tethered to is gone.
To find me, whatever was flying that machine.
나시는 기절하고 해리를 찾던 아스타는 놀란 광경을 목격합니다. 인간이 아니었어.
She cannot know.
Why are you growing weird skin?
I'm changing back.
What is that glowing stuff? Oh, you're bleeding, aren't you?
I've been searching for something I lost up on this mountain.
Either a radio to phone home or kill us. I think you nicked an alien artery.
충격은 잠시 잊고 그를 치료해줍니다.
Thank God!
Soon the whole mountain will be swarming with people looking for us.
The weaker I get.
The more alien you become.
시간이 지나 출혈이 멈추고 아스타는 진짜 해리에 대해 묻습니다.
Body is in my freezer. Foot is in your clinic freezer.
And used his DNA, take his identity. Skin cells, they're everywhere. I had 342 children.
One was complicated.
I'm glad you know about me. Max, that allows him to see me in my true form.
점점 상태가 안 좋아지는데.
You're up to reach inside and clear it. Go slowly.
Really owe me. Delightful.
You're done.
그렇게 위험한 순간은 지나갑니다.
Tell me about your planet.
It is magnificent.
Why did you come this time?
Not good.
How not good?
한편 나시는 사투를 벌이면서 두 사람을 구하려고 노력하는 중.
You're out of time, Harry.
She'll see I am an alien.
No, she won't.
다행히 탈출에 성공합니다.
Where the hell are you?
Don't ask questions! I need your help! Go get help! Go get help!
아스타는 그의 비밀을 지켜주기로 합니다.
Hurry! Down here. What the hell?
Hey, Dad.
Hell no. Why is there an alien in Beezer?
The cold slows the bleeding. I need your help.
I don't like it, but if you believe in him, okay.
그때 댄을 찾아온 보안관.
Doctor got in an accident. Take him to Braddock for an MRI.
Stand down on the search.
Harry, wake up. Harry, you are getting worse.
Without my radio, it's over.
해리의 마지막 희망은 다행히 아스타가 가지고 있었는데.
Found it. My leg, it's poisoning me.
Grab the meat cleaver.
I'm scared.
I won't let you die.
My leg, chop it off.
정신을 차려보니 다행히 아직 살아있네.
What the freaking hell is that?
It's regenerating.
Please do not move. I'm going to work and I'll be back later.
해리는 마지막 희망인 장치의 동력원이 망가진 걸 알게 됩니다.
I heard you fell down a crevasse.
Radio is broken.
Is this it?
You need to leave.
Don't worry, she's not gonna tell anyone. Are you trying to cut me out? I know where you can go to find alien stuff.
고장난 폭탄 장치를 재가동하기 위해 다른 외계인이 인간 몸에 심어둔 송신기 부품이 필요해지고 아스타와 함께 UFO 박람회로 향합니다.
Moon landing was a sham.
The astronauts did land on the moon.
We have the Greys,
Insidious assholes.
the Blue Avians.
They're actually very nice.
샘의 갑작스러운 사망 이유를 조사하던 보안관은 부보안관 리브의 말을 떠올리다.
Botulinum toxin A levels are through the roof. Sam was poisoned. All he or she would need to do is inject the toxin into a single insulin vial.
Son of a bitch. Abigail Hodges, you're under arrest for the murder of Sam Hodges. See, I think you wanted to get rid of Sam because you was having an affair. That's most. Turn around. You have the right to remain silent.
범인은 샘의 부인 에비겔. 해리는 외계인 추적자 피터의 강의를 듣는 중인데.
You'll know I possess a special skill set that makes aliens fear me. Find aliens, to trap them. 10,000 volts. I also found that talking about my encounter helped me feel a sense of control.
외계인을 봤다는 사람들 중 원하는 인간이 있는지 초집중.
And they are here to kill us.
One night a few months ago, I finally decided I'd had enough, so I ran out. Fire in the sky, like a guiding light. Later, I came into contact with who I now know. Something about them made me feel safe. I think some of them are here to do good.
Nope.
I don't know why, but they're following me.
드디어 발견. 그런데
Sorry, excuse me. I'm sorry.
해리의 본 모습이 보이는 듯.
I'm going to cut that alien technology out of your arm.
So you can rip an implant out of some poor person's arm.
I need it. The alien tracker is after me.
Keep moving. I got this.
Oh my god! I was wondering if maybe I could get a selfie with you?
Hey, can I help you? The alien tracker, he's chasing me. I have no problem hiding aliens. Would you like a signed copy?
지구에 추락한 외계인을 추적하다 맥스와 관련이 있다는 걸 알고 벤 부부에게 접근한 비밀 요원들.
Sweetie, you haven't said 2 words all night. Nice to have couple friends who we can have over for dinner.
I'll be more sociable.
I'm engaged, so I can go on a little reconnaissance mission.
Everyone's in the mood for pie.
Can I use your powder on first? Of course.
단서가 될 만한 것들을 찾으러 맥스의 방으로 향하는데 바로 이것. 여전히 쫓기고 있는 해리는 결단을 내립니다. 해리는 피터의 목에 송신기가 들어있는 걸 발견합니다.
Taking that alien technology out of your neck.
Where is my baby? Took out of my wife 30 years ago on the bus.
The Grey.
Please don't take it out. You're a monster.
Let's go. I got what I needed.
집에 돌아온 맥스. 사이가 소원해진 아스타를 찾아 해리의 집에 도착한 나시. 아무도 없자 일단 몰래 들어가 보는데 어딘가 수상한 냉동고를 그냥 지나치지 못하고 샘을 죽인 범인은 해리. 그리고 진짜 해리까지 죽였던 것. 다음날 당장 보안관을 데리고 해리의 집을 찾은 나시.
What is going on out here?
No, it's impossible.
Darcy broke into your cellar last night and she thinks she saw a dead you in the freezer.
It's nothing but meat. Why was Asta's car outside?
We went to a medical conference together.
I know what I saw. Stop trying to gaslight me. I know I'm not crazy. No! No!
It's unfortunate I have to kill everyone and leave here.
Give you credit. Oh, you fight like a pack of pit bulls.
I'm sorry about this, doctor.
그런데 리브가 보게 된 이것은 한편 맥스는 당장 해리를 만나야겠다 결심합니다.
Told you he'd lead us to the alien.
미행하는 비밀 요원들을 눈치챈 듯.
Oh my god. Are you alright?
You owe me $100 for the bike.
Pay the girl. You're the one who made me run her over.
Pleasure.
모든 부품을 고친 해리는 이제 인류를 전멸시킬 일만 남았는데
Sap's Pizza is now open in the heart of downtown Patience.
피자 유혹에 넘어가 버림. 어느새 인간들의 생활에 익숙해져 버린 해리. 잠시 후 아스타를 만나러 온 맥스.
Hello?
I know that you know.
I know that you know.
She knows a lot. The government is after him. I saw them search my house.
What?
피자 가득 사들고 다시 임무를 끝내러 온 해리.
Harry, where are you? I need to leave early. Is that okay? Where is my phone?
I put your mom's phone right under the RV.
맥스는 집 앞에서 대기 중인 비밀 요원들의 차를 발견합니다.
Just need your help.
I'm not giving your $100 back.
Hey, Asta, can you help me out? I need that dead foot. There might be another murder in town. Another murder is horrible, but we're gonna get who did this.
You need to tell us where this alien is, you little shits.
Why should we?
He's going to kill everyone.
Won't. He'll listen to me.
Why are you in my house?
집에 돌아오려던 맨은 가족이 위험 상황에 처했음을 목격합니다.
Do not go inside. We're on the way.
Why is he wearing a white coat?
We're not doing that.
Get down.
효인적인 힘으로 그들을 제압하는 맨 부부.
You guys are like Daredevil and the Black Widow.
You killed Harry Vanderspiegel.
Humans kill people all the time.
This is done. We are done.
Don't say that. Wait, I'm sorry. You just can't leave me. Don't go, it hurts.
Go back to your planet, Harry.
이제는 가슴 아픈 슬픔이 어떤 감정인지 알아버린 해리. 지구에 추락한 외계인이 동네 주치의라는 맥스의 말에 이 선을 그냥 끌고 가버린 비밀 요원.
What the hell is this? I got you your alien. Now I'm officially done with unhinged psychotic.
I agree completely. This is bigger than anything you could imagine. Get rid of him.
Kill you later.
순식간에 버려진 건가? 갑자기 나타난 이상한 커플에 호수에서 발견된 신발까지 사건은 점점 미궁속으로.
Let's go visit Dr. Vanderspiegel tomorrow. See if he's got anything to add.
그날 밤 폭탄 들고 우주선을 찾으러 달려간 해리. 맥스와 아스타도 해리에게 달려옵니다. 마침내 인류를 절멸시키려 하는 해리.
Because of this stupid mission.
급 밀려드는 허기 때문에 짜증 상태. 위험한 상황에 놓인 맥스와 아스타를 발견합니다. 어쩔 수 없이 본 모습을 드러낼 수밖에.
Harry, I know why you're here. Everyone, you kill me.
We are friends.
Yes, we are friends.
We will kill everyone on Earth together.
I'm staying here.
Then I won't kill everyone.
과연 해리는 목표를 달성하고 우주로 다시 돌아갈 수 있을 것인가? 동명의 만화를 원작으로 인류를 멸살하러 온 외계인이 인간의 감정을 배우며 겪는 갈등과 코믹한 상황을 그린 미드. 레지던트 에일리언 시즌 1. 그런데 맥스는 어디에?